Hey guys, today I'm showing you this electric splatter ball blaster gun, and you can see this is a do-it-yourself model for this gun, and this is a fun gun for like 14 plus kids. And you can see that this box comes with a manual and different models, that how these models will come and how to assemble. This have a safety goggle for kids that you can wear so that accidentally the gel bits will not come in your eyes. Charging cable, the handles, the path or the aim finder, the gun itself. And as you can see, this is like the the aim finder that you can put on the top of the gun. This is the battery pack. You can charge this battery separately, and these are the gel beads. They are the dry, and we have to put it in the water for 2-3 hours or more to sell it. So the charging is pretty easy with the USB, and there's a USB light, so you can see that the charging is done or it's going on. Now like once it's charged, you put it in the gun like simply like that, and this is the way to put the gel beads. Now you can see and feel like the power of this gun, like with the button and the battery pack all in the place. So I will quickly show you all the different on and off button, so that it's good for the locking feature. This button will take out the battery, so you have to press this button to take out the battery. This is for the handle, put it and then it will come down. Pathfinder that I showed you before, use it. And then for the gel bead, the container, so you have to put your swollen gel beads here. Pretty straightforward. So I put the beads in the water. Now it's all done, so I'm putting some of them in the gun itself just to show you its effect and how it's working. It will be pretty fun for the kids, and you can aim, you can just do some fun. So this is like in the fast mode how this is coming, so I will show you in the slow motion as well, so you can see the pressure. So here you goes with the slow motion, that how you can see the powerful gel bead that's coming out of it, and then the water splat and stuff. So I'll just ask my kids to put it so that you can see that the range of this gel bead. So yeah, you can see that's going far away. It's pretty fun for the kids.